Yeah, for this one, if you look at this question here, there is no greater than, okay, or there is no less than like this. So this part that you have written, where you say the this part where you say the retype positive R, this part is not necessary. This part is only put when there's greater than or less than. So this part is not necessary. This one has to be removed. Okay, this part has to be removed. The only thing that's supposed to be written here, where you say then display, you are supposed to write this comment, this one here. This is the one that is supposed to come there. You just say then display error, value of error is not valid. You just write value of error is not valid. Here you write value of error is not valid here, because there is nothing like display error there, so you cannot write. You write what they have given you there. So you write if error is equal to 0, then display value of error is not valid. That's all. Okay, you don't say enter positive error. The reason why you cannot say enter positive error, because if you look at our question here, have you seen this one? Have you seen its error is equal to 0? There's no greater than or less than. There's an equal sign. So that part for less than or positive error is not important here. It can't work. Okay, so it's just when you write that error, if error is equal to 0, then display, then you write that comment, then display error is not valid. That's a comment you're supposed to write here where I've wrapped. Then display the value of error is not valid. That's what you're supposed to write there. Apart from that, this part, this symbol is for sum. It's not sum to infinity. Here you're supposed to write sum. This part is for sum. So here where you wrote so that part you're supposed to wrap, as I said. Here where you wrote else sum of infinity, no, you're supposed to write sum. You see, it's just sum. Else display sum. This one, display sum. That's what you're supposed to write here. Else display sum. That's what you're supposed to write. Else display sum. So that's all. Okay. Let's see. Else display the sum. Else display the sum. It's a sum, not sum of infinity. Sum of infinity, the symbol is different. It's not like this one. This one is S. S means sum. So it's supposed to be S sum. Just sum. And then you write the formula. Everything down is correct.